In this video, we'll show you how to adjust your Advantage360 keyboard to fit your body type and preferences. Place your fingers over the gray home row and your thumbs over the taller thumb keys. The most ergonomic typing position is where your wrists are straight in line with your forearms. Start with the modules close together for maximum familiarity. Separate the modules gradually until you find the sweet spot. Provided that your hands are positioned no wider than your shoulders, your mouse will still be in easy reach. If you are a long-time Advantage user and prefer to replicate the original spacing, simply snap the included bridge connector into place. The integrated tinting elevates your thumbs to reduce harmful forearm pronation. Start on the lowest setting and work your way up until you find the most comfortable height. The built-in palm supports naturally eliminate painful wrist extension. If you want even more support, attach the magnetic palm pads. To learn more about Kinesis products or find a dealer, please visit kinesis.com.